How to run Fabric server with mods, let's go! So firstly you need to download Fabric Loader. I link this block in the description and at the bottom you have special links. We enter here, so to the official Fabric website. Now just click here to download Fabric Loader. I will select desktop to easily access this file, we click save. Now I go to the desktop. We have this file here, but firstly we need to install Fabric for our Minecraft client. Because of course we want to play with mods, so our client need to have Fabric too, and also our server need to be on Fabric. So I enter Minecraft launcher, and if you didn't launch Minecraft with version you want on your server, you need to do it at least one. So I click play, and if the game opens I will close it. So yeah, we are just clicking X and we can go back to our file. Now we can just double click it to open it. If you can't open this, it means something is wrong with your Java, so you can check out this blog and this video to install it properly. So of course at the bottom we have useful link here. You should download JDK 21 for Windows. You can just use this installer, but JDK 25 should work too. But if you have Java on your PC but it still doesn't work, you can use Jarfix. This is software to help you with this. It just automatically repair your Java. I link this blog in the description too, and after this you will be for sure ready to go. So firstly we are installing Fabric for Minecraft client, so we can just click install here. Now it's installing and we have information that it's done. So now if you launch your Minecraft client again, here you will have Fabric Loader on the version you selected. So now we can install Fabric server. So we are entering this second tab, selecting version, and now we need to click these three dots. We can select desktop, and here we can just create new folder, name it Fabric server, and we are just selecting this. And now we can click install. In this pop-out we need to select download server jar. It's downloading now. Now click generate here and we can click done. But remember, this server will run on your PC, so you need quite good PC, and then we need to use third-party service or do port forwarding to share this server with your friends. It's quite more complicated than having a hosting, so if you want to simplify this process, you can just use hosting from our partner, Simple Game Hosting. They have easy modpacks integration and server localizations all over the world. Buying through the link, you support this channel, so thank you very much, and using code TIPGRINDER you get 25% discount for the first month. So thank you, and let's continue. Now if we enter this folder we see all the files. On Windows we want to use this .bat file to start our server, and it's creating files as you can see, but it will fail because we didn't accept EULA. So now we can just click enter to close this, and we enter this file eula.txt. Just open it with any text editor, and here change false to true. We are accepting user and license agreement. Be sure to save this file. I click Ctrl S on my keyboard, or we can just use button to save it in our UI. Now we can run this server again with this .bat file, just double clicking it. Remember, if you have Java problems here, be sure to check out installing Java tutorial and Jarfix tutorial. Now we see done, so server is running, but no mods are here yet. So let's do it now. We can close it. So now to select mods, we need to enter any mods website. I'm choosing CurseForge, and here I wanna download Mr. Crayfish Furniture mod. This is the newest version of this mod, so I'm entering Files tab and selecting here Fabric Loader, and I'm looking for 1.21.11 version. So here be sure to always select Fabric and your version, and I can click download here. I'm selecting desktop to have easy access to this file, and here is important part. Always look in the description of your mod if it needs other mods to properly function. If you are on the CurseForge, you can just enter Relations tab to see it easily, and we see this mod needs mod named framework to function properly. This is required dependency. So I'm opening it, entering Files tab, and here also I'm looking for Fabric version, and for my version of the server, so 1.21.11, it's here. My version, Fabric Loader, I'm downloading this file. Selecting desktop again, and the last step, you always need this modification if you're running mods on Fabric. This is Fabric API. You always need this, so you are entering Files tab, and here selecting your Minecraft version. and of course Fabric Loader, and we are downloading it also on desktop. So yeah, we have these 3 files here, and we can just open our servers folder. Here we have folder named mods, and exactly into this folder we need to put these files. So good, we have files in our server, but we need these files also in our Minecraft client. Remember, you always need mods in server folder and also in your Minecraft folder. So we are just copying this, just with right click here, copy, or just select it and use Ctrl+C on your keyboard. And now we are entering Minecraft launcher. We have previously installed Fabric Loader, so we have profile here, but if you don't see it here, you can just enter installations tab, new installation, now name it somehow, and from the version list you just selecting Fabric Loader on your version and clicking install here, and you have your profile added here. So now we are clicking this folder icon here under this official profile or under this profile added by us. This is the same destination, and it opens our files. Here you need to find mods folder. If you don't have it, you can just create new one, just creating folder, naming it mods, and we have it. Now in this folder we need to put our mods, so I'm entering here and just pasting it, because we have copied these files from our servers directory. So on the left we have servers directory, on the right we have clients directory, and modifications in both locations. I can close clients folder, and in the server folder we need to go back and run server again with .bat file. Double clicking, and here we can see that server is starting, and be careful here, you need to always look for any errors to check out if you downloaded correct version of the mod or if you need any other dependencies. I didn't see any problem here, so it should be fine. And now we can just try to enter this server with our modifications. So I'm entering Minecraft launcher and selecting my Fabric Loader profile here and just clicking play. Game is opened, and here we can see that we have launched Fabric version, so it's very good. Now we can enter multiplayer tab, and here we can add server, name it somehow, and in the server address you need to type localhost because it's hosted locally on your PC, and we can just click done, and we see that connection is good, we can try to enter it. And of course in our console we see that we have entered. You can give yourself OP to use creative commands or something, and now we can see if we have added this mod properly, and we can see whole furniture UI. Clicking here can select any furniture and place it on our server. So modification works. Always remember to add dependencies and select proper version and loader profile. But to make this tutorial fully complete, we want to share this world, this server with our friends. So how to do it? You can of course do port forwarding or use third-party service to make it easier. In this tutorial I'm gonna use PlayIt.gg platform. It's quite popular option. Let's do it. So I'm leaving my server, stopping it with stop command, and now we can enter this website. I'm linking it in the description. And it's easy. You enter download tab here, selecting Windows if you are using Windows, and download recommended version here, selecting desktop to have easy access. So here on our desktop we have this file, and just double clicking it, we are confirming that we want to run it. Here again next and install. If admin prompt pop out, you can just click yes and we can finish it. Now we have this shortcut PlayIt.gg, we can run this, and this is our application. We have this terminal, and here we need to open this link. I'm holding Ctrl on my keyboard and clicking it. And now we can just log in or create account. It's easy, you need to enter only your email and your password, and it's ready. Now we continue. We can select agent's name. I'm leaving it as default, and we can click add agent. Now create a tunnel, name it somehow, for example test, next. Now select your game. Our game is Minecraft Java. By the way, I have the same tutorial but for Hightail server. You can check out this in the description. I click next. We are using free network. OK. And next again. Create tunnel. As we can see in the CMD, we see this panel, so it works. And now we have confirmation in our UI. We have our domain here, so we can just copy it. Now of course we need to run our server, so I'm entering servers folder and using .bat file. Okay, it's running, and we can just use this IP to play. So we are adding server, in the server address we are pasting this, and we see it's pinging. And now exactly through this IP we can enter our server and our friends can too. It works! And we can play on our server with our friends. If this guide helped you, please leave like and subscription, it helps a lot. You can also comment about what to record next, and see you in the future. Thank you!